SGHC stock analysis. Is it a buy? Is it not? In this 1 minute video, I'm showing you my exact play and for the next week, my technical analysis and price predictions. Because I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, all documented, all proofed up, right? It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and man, it's been rough. Now, ultimately, first thing on the list is going to be that I'm in love when corrections like this do happen and do occur. I mean, unintentionally, only if I see the price pulling down and showing me some sort of a double break, only then I'm going to look to buy, right? Really. But randomly getting involved, yeah, that's not going to be happening. And I'm being perfectly honest and upfront with this. So I'm just going to mark up the top there. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn, I mean, yeah, it's just confirm. I'm a confirmation away, just doubling down and buying more. That's all there is. But if you want to learn how I make it 5 to 10K per month with an indicator, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.